will secure all the beauty. And I'm take the red cap off, but don't do the red cap away because this going to protect your precision glue gels from getting spills, clogs, anything when between each like clients or each application. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal all the beads, so completely all over the bead to prevent, not only to prevent from catching on the hair, the clothes, or any fabric, but also it is prevent from getting tarnished. So I'm gonna go ahead and doing a quick exam right here between the beads and the crystal, and you feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just that much, just a little, go a long way. You don't want to flood it with the precision glue gel. And cure for 60 seconds. And then on this one, we're all doing the same. Seals all the beads, and then of course the pearl on top of the flowers. I'm gonna protect that pearls, and I'm gonna go in, check on the like all the edges of the flowers. You feeling is scratchy and it's might catching on the hair, the clothes. You're gonna squeeze that much, just little go a long ways. This is prevent from getting like all of the nail catching everywhere, the hair, clothes, the clients. Oh my god, I love it, but it keep catching on my hair. I couldn't do washing my hair. It's pull all my hairs out, or it's just pull all the fabrics or the thread off of my clothes. You don't want that. You want is the clients to be enjoying it so much with their nail art designs, and also that is worry free if they are wearing and it's not go. They're afraid they're gonna catching on the hair, and then they more than anything they're afraid of, it's like all the crystal is like coming off. So I am go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. All right, so don't lose this red cap. We're gonna close this so then it will protect the needles from getting clogged. And here is the final looks of this two nails. So adorable. And then as I say, if you